Hey you guys, it's Tutorial Tuesday. Okay, I got a request from my peeps back in Battle Creek if I would do a breakdown of a couple of the easier routines that we would do during dance breaks while we were in class, boxing. So, I'm going to break down Rolex and carry out. So I'm going to start with carry out, and I'm going to turn it around and show you that way, and then I'll flip back towards you, okay? If at any time you need me to slow it down, since it's on YouTube, you guys go up in the right-hand corner and hit your settings, and you can slow down how fast the video, or you can speed it up if it's going a little too slow. So, all right, I'm going to turn it around. So your first steps, feet are a little wider than hip width apart. It's easy. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Again, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, hip, pop, 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 pop. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Again, 5, 6, 7. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're on your toe. Right in, out, set, left, and set. Okay, so 2 each side from the top. 5, 6, 7, right. 1, 2, 3, hip. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, out, left, and then you're going to pound. So here, it's pound, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see what my arms are doing. Okay, so just do that much from the top. 6, 7, lead right. 1, 2, 3, right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pound. It's right, left, double, single, double. Okay, again, just that part. 5, 6, pound it out. Pound. 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, add that on from the top. 5, 6, 7, right arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. In, out, 7, pound. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, cross it over, adding on. 1, 2, 3, switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Do that again. Cross over. 6, 7, cross it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 5, 6, 7, adding on. You're going to do single. 1, 2, step back, side. Okay? And then you're going to repeat with the other side. So then it's right cross, back, step, back, side. That much. 6, 7, just your feet. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, back, side. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's add that on and turn around from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, hip. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pound it out. Pound. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, cross it over. 1, 2, 3, switch. 5, 6, 7, switch. Single, step back, side step, front, back, side step. Okay? Now your arms. So when you cross it over, you're going to cross 1, 2, 3, and 4, like you're doing a wave. Wave it with your body. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Turn it around from the top. Put it together. 6, 7, arm, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pound it out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, now single. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Last part, adding on. You're going to step 2 left, 2 right, slide together, take it up. 2 left, 2 right, single back. One more time. 2, 2, slide, single from the top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pound it out. Pound 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Cross it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now single. 1, wave the arm. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 left, 2 right, slide, 6, 7, and then it repeats. All right, that's it. So let's carry out. 1 sec.